As a new mom, I felt like a failure when I couldn't produce enough milk for my baby. It felt like I failed at my first primary motherly duties. Nigeria has the third highest premature births around the world, over 700,000 babies yearly. The mortality rate for premature babies is significantly reduced when they get donor breast milk.
So because I use the hand breastfeeding method, I was able to do 1 liter in a day. I believe if I could get electric breast pump, I could do more.
We can produce 135 liters of breast milk weekly, and the plan is to increase it to 200 liters of breast milk weekly in 3 months' time. We want to reach the lower class mothers and the moms that are in the rural areas. We don't charge for the breast milk. However, we charge a servicing fee of within $5 to $10, and this is going to cover 130 ml bottle. And the cost of this, the money is to be able to maintain the facility, provide the day-to-day running of the facility. We're expecting to get funds in terms of support and grants from different bodies that will help us go through these processes and provide this donor breast milk that is pasteurized free of charge to those mothers and to the units that look after the babies of those mothers.